Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Much and More. I'm super excited to start this brand new series on Python problem solving, where we are going from zero to hero. Okay, whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to sharpen your skills, even a sixth grade student can watch it and learn easy Python. Okay, this course will guide you through Python step by step. And guess what? This course is completely free. Okay, let's jump into the slides. Okay, starting. What is Python? Python is a high-level interpreted programming language. What is meant by high level? High level means the programming languages which are easily understood by humans and readability is so simple, like Python. In Python, if we want to add two numbers, we can easily write code C is equals to A plus B. So it can understand easily by humans. So it is called a high level programming language. And what is interpreted programming language? The code which we write in compilers is doesn't understand by the machine. So to convert from our language to machine language, an interpreter is used. Also compiler is used, but in Python interpreter is used. So what does the interpreter do? Interpreter converts the high level programming language. By that mean the code which we write to low level language like binary language. Okay. So interpreter converts high level to low level language line by line. And also Python is used in web development, data science, artificial intelligence, and many more. Several reasons why you should learn Python. It is perfect for beginners and also it has a very big community. The career opportunities in Python are very huge. You can go to web development, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and also hardware. In hardware, Raspberry Pi is used. Mining with software, Python. And also in startups and corporates, nowadays, all are using Python because of its readability and simplicity. Okay. Do you know who invented Python? Take a guess. Python was invented by Guido van Rossum in late 1980s. The creator of Python is Guido van Rossum. Before we dive into coding, we need to set up our environment. So let's quickly go over and how to download and install Python and PyCharm. The PyCharm is a great idea for writing Python code. Okay, let us start. So let us start downloading the Python. To download Python, we must go to python.org website. It's their official website. So we go to downloads and here is the latest version. The latest version is shown here. So just click on download Python. Python is already installed in my computer, so I am cancelling. After installing Python, please move on the steps. Okay. Afterwards, we will download a interpreter. So I am downloading PyCharm. Type PyCharm download and go to the first link, accept and download this. Okay, it start downloading. PyCharm is also downloaded in my system, so I'm cancelling it. So you follow the statements it will give. I will show you how it PyCharm. So the interface of Python PyCharm is like this. Okay, it has also multiple files open. We will create a new project. Okay, create. One minute. So the default window will be like this. Okay, let us remove all this code. We start with the first code in Python. Print hello world. So this is the code which we will type in all programming languages to print hello world in the terminal. Okay. Print is a function. The text which will be written inside the print function will be given as output in the terminal. See, hello world. and it's printed hello world. We can write as much as wish as you can. Like so it is printed. Okay. So you become a programmer. Let's move on to variables. So what is a variable? Variables are values which we store the values. Like a is equals to 2, okay, or b is equals to 5. So the string must be written in double quotes. Always remember, okay. In other programming languages, we use integer data type, and this is string data type. But in Python, no need to use all this. We can directly use a is equals to 2 and all. Okay. Let us start the second code of adding two numbers. Okay. Let us take a is equals to 1 and b is equals to 2. So what is c? A plus b. We will print c. So what will happen in this code? A is 1, b is 2. So number 1 is stored in the variable a. So when we use a in anywhere in anywhere in the program, it will have the value 1 and b contains 2. C is equals to a plus b. What is plus? Addition. C is a variable which contains the addition of a and b. So what is a plus b? 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 is stored in which variable? C variable. So we are printing the variable c. So c contains number 3. So we will run the code. 3 is printed. Look, 3 is printed. So this is a basic code. Let's move on to variables. So what is a variable? Variables are values which we store the values. We can also subtract it, multiply it, and find the remainder. Okay, like this. Next, we will understand what is a comment in Python. Comment is a string which interpreter does not compile. Like if I write, sorry, hello and print 5. So the interpreter starts from here, but this is not compiled. This is just for our purpose. So I can write like this, the below line prints text 5. You can write as your wish in this comment, but it will not be catched by interpreter. There is nothing errors in it. In large companies, when you go to software engineer, when you are, they will write like this. So you can understand easily what this code does. Okay. I hope you liked this video. I will improve it after the videos. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. That will give me encourage to me. Thank you.